Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Life Made Easy. I'm probably going to make this a member-only video. In this video, I just want to give you like one of my favorite tips for how to grow on YouTube. This is completely not scripted or anything. I'm just going to sit here and talk to you guys about it. And maybe the number one tip that helped me when I was growing my channel for Life Made Easy and Gaming Made Easy and then College Made Easy podcast. I own 3 YouTube channels at the moment. It's a lot of work, but that's what I want to tell you guys in this video is that one, growing on YouTube is not easy. It's not for everyone actually. Filming and editing is not for everyone. For me, I'm not overly good at editing. I'm an amateur. I use Sony Vegas, but I'm not overly good at editing. So when I'm filming, I try to make this as good as possible. Articulate what I want to say in a clear, concise fashion. I don't have to go through and edit everything and all that. It saves me time when I'm doing the editing process. But guys, if you guys want to grow on YouTube, here are my 2 biggest tips I have for you. I know I said I was going to do one. Here are my 2 biggest tips for you right now. 1, pick a topic, be specific with that topic. Pick a specific niche, something that is going to help people, inform people, or entertain. Now, a lot of people, those are the 2 routes you can go. You can be entertaining, or you can inform people, help people solve problems, right? Like for me, I solve people's tech problems. I review products. That's something I'm doing to help the person watching me, right? So I do all tutorials and help people that way. You can also be entertaining. You can do comedy videos, acting videos, stuff like that, skits. That stuff's on the entertaining side. That's not my strong suit, so I lean towards the side of helping others with technical issues on the internet, right? So that's how I'm solving problems. That gets views, right? People always search how-tos on YouTube. That's going to be forever evergreen content. My videos are always going to show up in search results forever now, especially Xbox tutorials. People are always looking that up, especially when the Series X comes out and I make content around that. That's going to last for a long time, right? So pick a niche. Say you like headphones. Say you're a big audio guy. Make videos on headphones, reviewing them. And then if you want to make money on that, leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. That's honestly one of the best ways to make money when you're starting out. Like my college Made Easy podcast, I make tutorials on how to succeed as a college student, right? We leave affiliate links on podcasting equipment that we use for the podcast, as well as college supplies for college students because it relates, right? It relates. It makes sense why we're doing that. Like we're targeting a specific audience. There's a great quote by Sean Cannell that says, if you chase too many rabbits, you'll end up catching none of them. Pick one. I know that's hard. That's one of the biggest things I struggle with is selecting a specific niche and really getting specific on what I want to do. Right now, I'm kind of like in between testing the waters, different kinds of technology. I'm doing PC videos right now, and I'm actually loving that. Love sharing information on what a good computer is and what specs you should look for. And so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'd highly recommend you guys use those tips to help grow. Second tip I want to give you is hard work and perseverance. You're going to struggle. You're going to suck at first. Everyone does. I have. And like, look how far I've come. I have 27,000 subscribers. I almost have 28,000 at this point. Sometimes I don't always get the views I want. I don't sit here and give up. I keep going. I try my best to ignore views. I definitely look at trends to see how my channel is doing. I would like to actually use time series analysis to predict the graph, but that's a whole separate math thing. But yeah, you have to persevere. You have to overcome the difficulties you'll face when first starting YouTube, because there's a lot, right? And a lot goes into it. So at this point, I'm trying to, every video I upload, I put an equal to amount of effort into it and slowly increasing the amount of effort I put in each video, right? Because the more effort tends to lead to more success, and that's not always the case. I say usually does. Sometimes you'll upload crap and it'll go viral. Makes just no sense. Like on TikTok. TikTok's the worst app ever. But you see people going viral on it because they do stupid stuff, right? I hate that app, but I can't stop looking at it because it's addicting and the algorithm's so good. So yeah, persevere. Guys, don't give up. If you want to see success on YouTube, I recommend you have to do it for over a year. And then once you stay, well, I say this is horrible, but like making money on YouTube helps motivate you to make future content, right? You want to be rewarded for your work. No one likes to just volunteer and work for free, obviously. So once you make a little money, it's going to motivate you to keep pumping out better and better content. So look at targetable niches. Successful niches are like sports, tutorials, technology, Beauty is a big one. Gaming is huge. I've been doing that on my gaming channel. If you're doing a gaming channel, I'd recommend picking one game. I'm kind of hypocritical in saying that. I've been jumping around, just testing the waters, as I said. But that's good. You can start out testing the waters at first, see what sticks, and then just head in that direction for a long time. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and become a member of Life Made Easy if you guys want to see future tutorials in the future. Peace out.